just made it to San Diego, so I'm going to be here for the next few days, so I decided to make a little travel vlog while I'm here. So if you like travel vlogs, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have new travel vlogs coming soon, and you can check my channel because I have already uploaded a few travel vlogs. But yeah, we arrived earlier today at around noon, but the room wasn't ready, so we decided to go grab lunch, and then we went to Walmart to grab a few essentials like body wash, shampoos, toothpaste, things like that we didn't bring to save space in our carry-on. And then we made it back to the hotel because our room was ready. And I think I'm going to spend the rest of the day at the pool because the pool is very nice. But before I go, I just wanted to do a quick room tour because the room is very nice. So this is the room. So here you have the bathroom. Woohoo! And here like there's a lot of storage space. And here you have the shower and a full-length mirror. And next here we have another very nice mirror. And that's the room. So we have 2 beds. And the outdoor space is very nice because we have like, here we have 2 chairs. So that's our view. So here you have the marina and the pool, so it's very big. I'm excited to go there. Woohoo! So yeah, that's the room, and we're staying at the Marriott Marquis and Marina. And also quickly, I wanted to show what I'm wearing. So I have this little bikini from Princess Polly and this little cover up from Beginning Boutique, and my sunglasses and some little flats. So yeah, now I'm all ready to go enjoy the pool. So quick little outfit check. So this is what I'm wearing. And this top I have had for so many years, and this skirt is from Princess Polly. Good morning! So this is our first day in San Diego, and today we're going to go to the Fashion Valley to do a little bit of shopping because it's very gloomy outside. And then after, maybe we'll go to the old town. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Quick little outfit check. So I'm back at the hotel for tonight, and we did a little bit of shopping today, and I found a few cute stuff. So this is what I got. So I got this gray dress from Alo Yoga, this little skirt, and this top that can go maybe with this skirt, and this white blouse, and finally some white socks. So that's it for my haul. Good morning. So today we're just going to go to the beach, and we're going to go to the Mission Bay beach. But it's a little bit gloomy outside and it's not that warm, so just like yesterday morning, but yesterday the sun ended up coming out during the day, so I'm hoping that it's going to be a lot warmer later today, because so far it's a little bit cold for the beach. So yeah, now I'm all ready and we're going to go eat breakfast. Quick little outfit check. Woohoo! So I'm back at the hotel after a day at the beach, and it was so nice. I was really surprised that there were not too many people, and now we're going to go eat dinner, but I don't know where yet. And for tonight I'm wearing something super casual because I'm kind of tired and it's quite cold in the evening, so I wanted to wear jeans. So I'm just wearing this little tank top with my cardigan and my favorite jeans. So very basic outfit, and I'm not wearing any makeup because I just want to keep things simple tonight. So I'm back from the restaurant and I just wanted to show the night view here. So tomorrow is going to be another big day, so I think I'm just going to go to bed now and read a little bit my book. But yeah, today was a super fun day and I'm really excited to have another day here in San Diego. Good morning, so it's another day in San Diego and today it's a little bit more sunny. And today we're going to visit the Coronado Island and take a little ferry to go there. And maybe visit the old hotel, go to the beach and just walk around. So that's the plan for today. So this is my outfit of the day. So I have this black dress and a white button-up and my New Balance shoes. And so I'm back at the hotel after a day at the Coronado Island, and it was very nice. We spent a little bit more time on the beach than I anticipated, and so I got a little bit of sunburn, but it's fine. And I got this new necklace with some cherries. And we also saw the old hotel where I think a lot of movies were made, so that was fun. And we also stopped at the grocery to buy a few things for tomorrow morning and a few drinks to take on the balcony. And I bought these little drinks. And this is Chez Mitchell's brand. And I've been wanting to try them, but I've never seen them where I live in Canada. So when I saw them at the grocery store, I had to grab them. So these are tequila seltzer. And you've got lime, grapefruit, watermelon, blood orange. So yeah, I think I'm going to try one now. Alright, so let's try this. Yeah, it's really good. So for now, I'm just going to drink this on the balcony, and then it's going to be time for dinner. Good morning! So today I'm having breakfast here on the balcony because yesterday we bought a few things at the grocery store. So this morning I'm just enjoying the view while eating my breakfast. And later today I think we're going to spend a little bit more time on the marina because we haven't really explored it except for yesterday when we went to take the ferry. And then I think we're going to go to the seaside village, and also if we have time we may go also to the Little Italy because we went there yesterday for dinner and it was very fun and it was full of life. So I really wanted to go back, but during the daytime. So yeah, that's a little bit the plan for today, but we'll see what we end up doing. So this is going to be my outfit of the day. So I have this skirt and this top that I bought on this trip. And the skirt is from H&M. So yeah, let's go! It's about 4:30 and I'm back at the hotel now. But for the rest of the afternoon, I think I'm just going to read by the pool and relax. I brought this book with me on vacation, so this is the Jet Setters. But so far, I'm not really getting into it, so I don't know. If you have read this book, please let me know in the comments if you liked it. So yeah, that's kind of the plan of the rest of the day. A little bit of reading, a little bit of pool time, relaxing, and then we'll go to dinner. Just got back at the hotel and today I visited the Balboa Park, which was really pretty. I really enjoyed going there. So for the rest of the afternoon, I think I'm just going to take a little snack by the pool and then it's going to be time to go to dinner. And this is what I wore today. So I wore this little floral play suit from Princess Polly and it's super comfortable. But yeah, now let's go to the pool. Good morning, So yesterday was our last day here in San Diego. So today we're renting a car to go to Santa Monica and we're going to do a little road trip around Hollywood and Los Angeles. So this is the plan for today, but I think I'm going to end the vlog here and start a new one for the Santa Monica part of the trip. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and write a little comment, and also subscribe to my channel.